Creating your own VPN server is easier than you think. You only need a valid AWS account and a few minutes of your time. So you might ask, why would I create a VPN server and pay for it while there are many other alternatives out there and most are free? Well, it turns out that for those that are worried about digital footprint and privacy, a custom VPN is safer and much faster to use than those that are available to the public. So ask why. First, you control a self-hosted VPN server, which means you own its logs. Second, your VPN server is only used by you, not thousands of people. Third, you choose where your VPN server is hosted. So if you're interested, let's get started. First, navigate to console.aws.amazon.com. and create an account if you don't have one. If you do, you'll see this beautiful console. On the search bar, you search for LightSail. I know some of you might say, well, there's EC2, why use LightSail? But I think that LightSail is a better and cheaper option here. Once you are in the LightSail dashboard, hit Create Instance. At the very beginning, you'll see the instance location selection. This is where your VPN will be hosted. You can choose from a wide number of locations. I'm going to choose US East Virginia. For the platform, we want to choose Linux, and for the blueprint, we choose OS only and then Ubuntu 20. These other options are not required. For the instance plan, your VPN and up to 10 devices can work on the cheapest plan available, which is about $3.50 per month. Then choose the first plan, the cheapest plan, and then enter a friendly name for your instance and hit Create. Now, while your instance is being created, let's download the Outline apps. Navigate to getoutline.org. Link is in the description. Download the Outline Manager app. The Manager app is used to create and manage your VPN servers, whereas the Client app is used to connect a device to the VPN. You may download both. I already have them downloaded. It works on all operating systems and it's pretty much the same, so you have no problem doing as I do. Although it's worth noting that, let's see if this is created. Although it's worth noting that your instance's IP will change on every stop and reboot. To avoid this, you can create a static IP here. Then let's open the Outline Manager app. On the main screen, hit Amazon LightSail, because that's where our VPN is hosted. Step 2 says, log into your server and run this command. Hit connect using SSH. Now, before running the command Outline gave you, let's run sudo apt update. Then enter the Outline command that the Manager app gave you. Now it says Docker is not installed. Would you like to install it? We hit yes. Wait for a few minutes. Outline will give you an installation output. which is just keys used to connect you to the server. Please copy the key and paste it into the Manager app, and we'll do that in a second. Now, in order for us to access the server externally, we need to open some ports on the firewall. To do so, head to the LightSail page, and under networking, there is this IPv4 firewall. Now hit add rule, and for the application, use all protocols. And please don't do this unless you're just exploring like I do. And when you do so, now you're ready. Now let's copy the text in green, only this text in green. When you copy it, head to the Outline Manager app and paste the output. Once done, you'll have a nice dashboard for your VPN server. Hit add a new key, and keys are just used to connect devices to the VPN. Add a new key, name the key, and when you're done, hit this little share button and copy this link and paste it on your browser. Now this should say connect to your device, and copy this key and add server. Now this needs the Outline client app because the client app is used to connect you, a device, to the server. And hit this plus button here and paste the key you just copied. Add server. Let's connect to it and let's see if it's worked. There, now we are connected. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more AWS tutorials. Goodbye.